The term, detox, is well known and frequently used in informal contexts without comprehending its true meaning. Without understanding the necessity and significance of detox, we run the risk of doing more harm to our bodies than good. Essentially, when we discuss detox, we are referring to the natural process of getting rid of toxins and metals from our bodies. We unknowingly encounter numerous dangerous substances and heavy metals on a daily basis. Numerous toxic pollutants have been shown to have serious negative impacts on our health, producing conditions like cancer, issues with reproductive and metabolic health, and issues with mental and emotional well-being. Heavy metals can enter the body in a variety of ways, some of which are deceptive. For instance, the air we breathe, the food we eat, and tap water can all contain toxins. Pesticides are used routinely on non-organic foods today and frequently contain heavy metals. These metals include mercury, lead, arsenic, cadmium, and aluminum, all of which have been linked to a number of behavioral abnormalities in children as well as cancer, cardiovascular disease, and Alzheimer's. A significant number of dangerous heavy metals may also be present in many beauty products. Lead, for instance, can be found in some lipstick, and some sunscreens include heavy metals. Furthermore, lead is frequently used to make car and house keys, and fabrics and protective finishes used on furniture may contain heavy metals like antimony and cadmium. Another health risk is aluminum, a toxic metal that is more common in tap water, some medications, some deodorants, and even salt and white sugar. Aluminum is a health risk because it is not a heavy metal. We encounter all of them every day, which is a concern. We should regularly consider detoxifying our bodies from pollutants and heavy metals in order to promote wellness and good health for the rest of our lives. Method to start assisting your body with detoxification. Make sure the food you put on your plate every day is clean and organic. Keep in mind that the ingredients in your detoxifying foods should absolutely be organic and from reputable suppliers. Here are some meals that can assist with liver and overall body detoxification from heavy metals. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are genuinely healthy berries. They include salicylates, a type of natural aspirin that lessens the negative consequences of inflammation. They are also particularly rich in antioxidants and have antiviral properties that guard cells against free radicals and prevent infections. Antioxidants are molecules that aid in the body's elimination of free radicals, which are produced when heavy metals interact with proteins and other components of the body's metabolism. It has been established that organic wild blueberry extract may assist in the removal of heavy metals from the lymphatic system of the brain and in the detoxification of the brain by binding to a particular protein that prevents the brain's natural detoxification process. 2. Beetroots. Beets are important in the liver's detoxification process. Beets are rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, zinc, and iron as well as vitamins like B3, B6, and C. These minerals and vitamins aid the liver in eliminating pollutants. Beets include a fiber substance called betaine that aids in digestion and the efficient removal of all harmful poisons from the body. Because vitamin C serves as an antioxidant, fruits and vegetables rich in it help lessen the harm done by heavy metal pollutants. Toxins can more easily be removed from the body when they are transformed into a water-soluble state thanks to vitamin C. Since good digestion is a key component of detoxification, lemons restart digestion by activating enzymes. There are several foods that are high in vitamin C, including bell peppers, organic blackcurrants, citrus fruits, organic wild blueberries, guava, parsley, kiwis, broccoli, papayas, strawberries, etc. 4. Leafy green vegetables. The chlorophyll they contain is primarily why greens are considered of the most effective diets for removing pesticides, heavy metals, and environmental toxins. Chlorophyll boosts blood oxygen levels, cleanses blood cells, and aids in liver detoxification. How then do you detox from aluminum toxicity, for instance? The greatest strategy to acquire the most antioxidants for aluminum detox is to eat as many green leafy vegetables as you can. Make sure your diet includes enough vegetables including broccoli, cucumbers, kale, spinach, celery, sprouts, and arugula. 5. Garlic. You might wonder how to detox naturally from lead and arsenic. Garlic and onions are examples of herbs that contain sulfur, which aids the liver's self-cleansing process. 6. Flax, hemp, and chia seeds. These seeds are rich in fiber and provide necessary omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and are necessary for all liver activities, including detoxification, while fiber aids in colon cleansing. So how does one detox from mercury, for instance? Since it is not advisable to ingest fish or fish oils during detox because they may contain heavy metals, particularly mercury, seeds high in omega-3 fatty acids will supply the body with the critical fatty acids it needs to cleanse. 7. The chaga mushroom. Since ancient times, chaga, a species of fungus that grows on the bark of birch trees in colder areas, has been used to strengthen immunity, aid in detoxification, and improve general health. Chaga is rich in superoxide dismutase, a potent antioxidant that is necessary for both liver cleansing and cell regeneration. For chaga to have all the essential nutrients, it must be organic, raw, and made from the entire chaga mushroom. You should think about organic chaga mushroom powder, since organic chaga, which is hand-picked in a sustainable manner from pristine, certified organic forests, is not generally available. It can be added to cereal, coffee, tea, smoothies, protein drinks, and porridge. With the same flavor of coffee but higher nutritional value, it is regarded as one of the best substitutes. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you like this video.